Good morning everyone and welcome to the assembly of grade 5. Our theme for today is Stop Bullying, a very relevant topic for every adult and every child. We are glad you are watching our assembly and we hope you enjoy it. Please join your hands for the school prayer followed by the school anthem.
Oh God, guide me, protect me, light the lamp of my heart, make me a brilliant star, thou art the mighty and the powerful.
Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada.
Let the rosebuds of 7 eyes blossom out tomorrow, spreading their aroma around the 7 seas and beyond the garden.
Let us pay our respect to our parents, teachers, elders, and the earth that bear us.
Let us all dedicate ourselves for the better world, respecting all the lives that share the earth with us. Let us spread the light of love in every sphere of life, with no harm to anything or anyone.
Let us pray for perfection, for a global well-being, leading to a world where truth reigns supreme.
To be a lifter and not to be a leaner, to make a life a success and bring glory for SIIS, SIIS, SIIS.
What is exactly bullying? Many people wonder what exactly bullying is and what different types of bullying there are. Bullying takes many different forms and can impact children and adults alike, from physical and verbal bullying to social and cyberbullying. This form of unwanted aggressive behavior can be either obvious to spot or more subtle. It entails a person intentionally and repeatedly causing discomfort or injury to another individual without cause. Generally, a bullied person is unable to defend him or herself and is likely not in a position of thought of the day. Courage is fire and bullying is smoke. Courage is fire and bullying is smoke.
The bullying behavior. Bullying is a repeated aggressive behavior over a period of time and is categorized in 4 primary ways: physical, verbal, social and cyber. Following are the different types of bullying behavior. Physical bullying. Physical bullying is most of a type of bullying behavior that spots and involves harming a person's body or possession. This may take a form of hitting, punching, tripping, pinching, kicking, etc. and harming a person's property. This may take both short-term and long-term physical harm. Verbal bullying. It includes saying or writing mean words to someone that also spots improper comments, insults, teasing, result remarks, and verbal abuse. While verbal bullying may start off in a joking context or harmlessly, it may grow quickly because of emotional distress.
Social bullying is often harder to recognize as it involves harming someone's reputation or relationships, sometimes referred as relational bullying. This type of behavior bullying entails leaving someone out on purpose, telling people not to be friends with others, spreading rumors, and intentionally embarrassing someone in public. Cyberbullying. Cyberbullying can be overt or covert, as it includes bullying through digital technologies such as smartphones or computers. Because of the nature of technology, this can happen anytime and can have abusive texts, emails, social media posts, etc. Spreading rumors, a deliberate exclusion of a person online, and imitating others by using their login information. Thank you.
The effects of bullying. Bullying behavior impacts everyone involved and not just the targeted person, including those who bully and those who witness the action. While many reported instances of bullying impact children, adults are also susceptible to the harmful ripple effects of this behavior. It takes a toll on a person's mental health and is linked to many negative effects. The physical and emotional effects of bullying may include increased and more frequent feelings of sadness and loneliness, changes in sleeping patterns including insomnia or exhaustion, changes in eating patterns and appetite, loss of interest and desire in activities, higher risk for developing depression and anxiety.
Afternoon, if you are bullied, bullying behavior is upsetting and can have a significant impact on a person's short-term and long-term physical and emotional health. While it can take many forms, whether direct or indirect, or through physical, verbal, social and cyber behavior, the harmful effects impact not just the person bullied but for anyone who witnesses the action as well. Start by recording what is occurring, documenting the words and behavior of the bully and describing when and where it took place. If it occurred through email, text or social media, print those instances for documentation purposes. This will ensure a thorough account of the incident when you take action. If you are experiencing bullying, it's important to report, document and seek support, remembering that you are not alone in your experience and help is available.
Everyone stand up tall and proud because we gonna stop bullying now. Everyone march and place it, sing, let's work together to stop bullying.
Hands and say stop bullying now. Raise one arm and say stop bullying now. Hold together, stop bullying now. Be kind to all people and show them respect. Help one another to do their best. Be friendly and smile to show we care. Share your light, share your love everywhere. Everyone stand up tall and proud. We are gonna stop bullying now. Everyone march in place and sing. Let's work together to stop bullying.
Let's stop bullying now. Clap your hands and sing stop bullying now. Raise one arm and sing stop bullying now. Hold hands all together. Stop bullying now. Be kind to all people. Show them respect. Help one another to do their best. Be friendly and smile. Show your care. Shine your light, share your love everywhere.
I made a cosmetic brand called It Cosmetics for those people who share a skin condition as mine. At first, I was rejected by many pirate organizations, but today I am the co-founder of a brand which has a net worth of $1.2 billion. I became one of the Forbes' richest self-made women. It was not easy being bullied, hated or teased, but I used all of my stones of obstacles to create a bridge of success. Well, this was my story. It can be yours too, but never stop believing in what you dream. No matter how many people reject, bully or tease. No means not yet.
People will always judge you, bully you and tease you. But it is you who is the creator, fighter, hero and winner of the story.
Good morning, dear students of grade 5 and all the other grade students. I am sure you might have enjoyed this assembly. The assembly is about bullying. So all the education institutions have zero tolerance towards bullying. The students have presented it well and I am happy. And I appreciate the effort of the homeroom teacher and the teacher who helped them in editing the video, and to all students and dear parents of grade 5. Keep up the good work. And I have got few small things to inform you, dear children. Due to this pandemic, we are running the classes online. there are some shortcomings with all the institutions that they face during this online classes. The teacher and the students are at remote places, and few parents are there at home to guide children, but few working parents are busy, they can't sit with the students. So only it is teacher and student for most of the cases. So please listen to teacher's instruction, complete all the given tasks of reading, writing, completing the notes, take help from teachers and from students, and do the work very systematically. Attend these online classes with a lot of positive motivation, and you have to be self-responsible, and we should trust you people and hand over some work, and you should complete it. Don't please allow the parents and teachers to be behind you to get the work done. Do it on your own. So that spirit you should grow, and I'm confident Seven-Isle students would do that. Some of the grades are very sincere in their work, and I appreciate the effort. When I go for rounds, when I go for teaching, I realize that they're very sincere in their work. I would request all the students to be like that. Second of all, the Mumbai Science Teachers Association, every year they conduct Homi Bhabha Young Scientist Competition, and this year also they are conducting it for grade 6 and 9 students only. And this certification has got a lot of validity. So you would participate in that without fail. Of all grade 9 and 6 students must participate. And Arun sir is the in charge for this. Contact him, register your name, and get this competition done. And overall, the performance of the students is satisfactory. We would request all the students to take more effort in the preparation, in studies, and do this academic year well. Happy day for all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your guidance and encouragement. I request everyone to stand for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता।
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा।
हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जनरित रंग।
तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाए तव जय गाथा।
जन गण मंगल दायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे। भारत माता की जय।